Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a premium subscription box, and this is from Toyl, Time of Your Life. So if you want to see what's inside in Toyl September 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Toyl September 2022. So if you're new to this subscription box, this is a premium subscription box because it costs £39.99, including the shipping fee, and every month you will receive beauty products from skincare to makeup worth over £100. So yeah, so if you want to subscribe to Toyl, I have my discount code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will get £5 off on your first box. So yes, let's open this box. When you open the box, you will receive your booklet, and it says September 2022, welcome to your Toyl box worth £121, and theme for this month is night workers, products that work brilliantly overnight. So excited for this one. And here it says the September box, welcome to your Toyl September box. September is all about those last few days of sun, the autumn walks, the changes in nature that herald the start of autumn. But I know that you will be too excited by the contents of this box to see much of that. This box is all about night workers, products that work at night or overnight to give you incredible results. And now let's open this. Ooh. So the first one here, it's one of my favorite brand. This is from Ren, Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. I'm so excited to try this one. This one, lovelies, it's worth £53. So it's worth more than the box, because this box, the whole box, it costs £39.99. Wow. And it says for all skin tone, this one of the very few dark spot removers that works for us all. Usually treatment use strong acid, but Ren uses algae, which targets the dark spot and not the surrounding skin tone. Just 7 days is all this takes to see visible result. The brand says, a rich and hydrating sleep cream, clinically proven to reduce the appearance of dark spots, specifically formulated to target hyperpigmentation, re-energize your skin without affecting or lightening your natural skin tone. So it looks like this, lovelies, and it's in full size. That's the good thing about this subscription box, lovelies. Most of the products, they came all full size. And then the next one we have here, oh, I love this brand too. And this is from This Works. This is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon Multitasking Beauty Sleep Savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Yeah, so it looks like this. It has 100 ml. So really a generous size. So it looks like this inside. I have already opened one in here, lovelies, and I honestly love this brand. I love this product. I usually apply this one before bed, and the smell, it does relax. I love the lavender scent. I really love this, and it's very moisturizing one, this cream. And this one, it's rated for £25, and it says a body lotion that deeply moisturizes while sending you to sleep heaven. This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon is a perfect product to help you drift away while hydrating skin, to help restore elasticity all around. In here, so the brand says, our unique super blend of shea butter, cramba, camellia, and sativa oils will help to nourish and support the skin barrier, while our original deep sleep fragrance of lavender, chamomile, and vetiver will help send you into a restful slumber. So yes, I'm glad that I've got another one in here. It has the Sildon. Yeah, it has that spa scent too. It's very relaxed. I really love this brand. I really love this product. The next one we have here, and this is from the Organic Pharmacy Honey and Jasmine Mask, firm and moisture. So here we go, the product. I hope you can see it. This one is retail for 40 pounds. And here it says, wow. And this one, it says, suitable for all skin type. This product includes squalane, an ingredient that goes back to Roman times. Squalane is a very difficult to make. I knew a chap who made it from olives in my PR days, but basically mimics the skin's own natural oils. It is in fact a miracle ingredient that's coming back into popularity in more products. Here it is perfectly placed to hydrate at or overnight. The brand says, calm the skin and reduce redness with this rich, luxurious, and deeply hydrating moisturizing mask, enriched with naturally soothing ingredients. And it says, apply generous layer of honey and jasmine mask and leave for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the active ingredients to penetrate deeply into the skin. Any remaining residue should be removed with a muslin cloth soaked in warm water. Can't wait to try this one. And then the last one we have here, I think, and I love this product. Lovely. I use it all the time. This is from Beauty Pro. I usually use another brand, and this is the warming eye mask, relaxing chamomile self-warming eye mask. Here is the product, and this one is retail for 3 pounds. And as I said, I use it every time, but most of the time when I have a migraine. When I have migraine, lovelies, I can even open my eyes, and this helps me a lot to relax. It's self-heating mask, so you just need to put on your eyes and it heats by itself, but it's not really very hot. It's like a warm heat, and yeah, it does relax. And I think this one, it has the chamomile scent instead of lavender one. I think I never tried this one. As I said, I tried another brand, but yeah, it does help a lot. It does help relaxing my eyes. If you suffer from migraine, or if you have headache, or if you want to relax your eyes, I highly recommend to use one of these. And it says, we have had heated eye masks before and they never fail to please. If you haven't used one before, then you are in for a real treat. They start to work when you take them out of the wrapper, so only do this when you are ready. It says, the brand says, these self-heating eye pads have a soft chamomile scent, providing gentle, warm, and peaceful rest. Simply place the mask over the eye area using the ear loops to secure it into place, and enjoy time to replenish. Tired eyes will be relieved and the mind soothed as you enjoy the moment of tranquility. So yes, if you never tried this one, I really recommend to try it, because it really does his job. So yeah, here we go. So that's all, I think. Yeah, that's all. Let's do a recap, lovelies. You will receive a full size from Ren, which is the Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. I can't wait to try this one. I really have dark spots here because of the sun damage, but yes, I really can't wait to try it. And I really love sleeping cream one. I don't know if I said before, they are like my go when I'm lazy doing all my skincare at night, because and I just wash my face and toner and apply that one. That's it. So yes, I can't wait to try it. And then one of these warming eye masks from Beauty Pro, and then a full size from the Organic Pharmacy, the honey and jasmine mask, firm and moisture. Can't wait to try this one. And then my favorite one, which is the from This Works, the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. So yeah, that's all for Toyl for this month. And overall, lovely, I love this theme. I really do. It's very thumbs up for me. I'll definitely use every single product in this box. So that's all for me, lovelies. And you, what do you think about Toyl? Are you waiting for this box? Did you receive it? What product are you excited about? Are you thinking to subscribe? If you do, I have my discount code, which is JAYCA, Jayca, and you will get a £5 off on your first box. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.